What is a good pricing strategy for janitorial cleaning services? Often when cleaners talk about pricing topics, we go right into the weeds of square foot prices, production rates, hourly rates, etc. In this tutorial, we are more focused at the conceptual level. What is our goal, strategy, long-term objective? C. Based on answering those larger questions, we can then fit in the right tactics to get us there. Every commercial cleaning contractor in the country has different amounts of capital, local markets, offers different services, and have unique personal goals. There is not one way to solve all of those problems and account for the endless variables. We need to create our own for our specific situation. After talking to cleaners for 20 years in social media, I am very familiar with how pissed off people can get when a competitor is a lot lower in price and gets the job. Sometimes they really are just newer and naive, no question. But a lot of times they have a different business model, and that's what we are going over today. A competitor might want or need that specific account for some reason you can't see or understand.